Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, sportsmen, scholars, students, officials, ministers, all around the world, those who are listening. I welcome Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today we are discussing very important topic: avoid corruption to promote your nation. Corruption is unjust, illegal, illogic, dishonest and mental criminal performance by person who is holding a trustworthy and authorized position, generally to acquire personal benefits. People tend to resort corrupt practices to gain financial advantages, political power and undue favors. The techniques differ according to the situation or personal propensities. Corruption involves the wicked action of bribery, embezzlement and fraudulent conduct by those in power. The masses generally understand this criminal activity as duplicity, fraud, delinquency, violency, manipulation, subversion, misrepresentation and degradation of conduct. Extreme form of corruption can be tyrannical. It can make the corrupt person more susceptible for blackmail and extortion. Bribery, which can be taken as kickback in the form of significant and strong reaction to illegally pay money in return of work or help. Bribery may be due to company shares, employment, entertainment or political benefits. It makes the officials harmfully affected in long run. Cheating and embezzlement, it involves excess of fraud, using deception to convince owner of funds and assets to give them up unauthorized purity. It may also include a process of stealing money, culprit responsible or that belongs to your employer. Blackmail, using threat. It may be fear of imprisonment as well as exposure of personal secret or prior crime. Group association, people bringing effective way of seeking admissions, jobs, migration to other nations, attempt to corrupt formal hiring process, etc. Certain persons find to work on telephones and network, Facebook or WhatsApp messages. Certain situations involve high technology with disorders and confusions. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. If you want to test a man's character, give him his paw. Causes with types of corruption: misplaced feeling of deprivation or genuine sense of having been wronged may lead to corruption. Style of corruption is searched and implemented through wicked persons for illegal benefit. It covers politicians, public servants, CEO of companies, the team of leaders at different working places, the administrators, admission officers at educational institutions and hospitals all around the world, coaches of various play teams, etc. The situations or the persons which allow corruption may include low economic freedom associated with low degree of integration. It may lead to increase in cost of goods and services. Higher level of bureaucracy. It involves misuse of entrusted funds and power. Police corruption may be designed to obtain financial benefits and other personal gains like career advancements. It may lead to arrest on illegal drugs, prostitution and other antisocial activities. Inefficient administrative structure due to degradation of resources and illegal working of government institutions. Instability in politics. This category weakens the aspects of democracy and proper governance. The legislative member who spends lot of money to win the election is with a motive to overpower others and multiply his investment. The politicians may play frauds to avoid true elections. Weak rights for poor population. Weakness in certain aspects of democracy is due to low political transparency. The person trying to seek the job even as a peon and spends a good amount. People cannot expect honesty from his duty. When eminence in education is not protected, the misconducts may arise due to illegal admissions, results and violation of social measures. High level of in-group favoritism and connection of large population belonging to a particular race or religion. Inequality or differences between groups in society due to financial status. Advantages in political or judicious status. Ill relations with corrupt international practices. Low level of freedom of journalists of newspapers and TV channels. Approach on internet and process of printing books. Escape tax evasion. Corruption in labor unions and even in religious organizations. Approach on judicial inquiry and decisions. It may be related to misconduct of employees through giving or receiving bribes, improper sentencing of convicted criminals or wrong judgment on misconduct. It may bring unexpected changes in rule of laws, public administration, inefficient provision of services, etc. Corruption is omnipresent and a global phenomenon. It becomes a key determinant and creates a problem in the progress of nations. The annual report of corruption is issued through International Transparency Index, which conveys that India is ranked badly among 180 nations. The International Anti-Corruption Day is observed annually on 19th December to fight and raise awarenesses to corruption since 2003. Corruption can never ever be controlled unless the system that breeds corruption is checked. The precaution also includes removing the causes of corruption, avoid